Look up at the night sky. Billions upon billions of stars, each a distant sun. And around many of those stars are planets, trillions of them just in our observable universe. Statistically, it seems almost impossible that Earth is the only world teeming with life. And yet, silence. Welcome to the Fermi paradox. So, what is the Fermi paradox? Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, who, over a casual lunch in 1950, famously asked, "Where is everyone?" Given the immense size and age of the universe and the high probability of life developing elsewhere, why haven't we found any evidence of intelligent alien civilizations? Why aren't they here? Where are they? Where's the clues that says that there's life out there at all? So let's break this down. Let's go down with the argument of the points to the existence of alien life. First, the sheer number of stars and galaxies. Our Milky Way alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. The observable universe was hundreds of billions of galaxies. That's a mind-boggling number. Second, the probability of suitable planets. We now know that exoplanets are incredibly common. Many stars have multiple planets, and a significant fraction of those are in the habitable zone, the right distance from their star for liquid water to exist. And as we know, in order for life to exist, water needs to exist. But I don't know that for a fact, because I'm an idiot. So, the chemistry of life is universal. The elements necessary for life, such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, are abundant throughout the cosmos. And finally, the age of the universe. It's nearly 14 billion years old. Our solar system is relatively young, about 4.5 billion years old. This means there have been billions of years for life to form, evolve, and develop into advanced civilizations on countless other worlds, long before Earth even existed. If even a tiny fraction of them made it to an advanced stage, some should have arisen billions of years ago. They should have ample time to spread across the galaxy. So, again, where are they? This is known as the Great Silence. So if the universe is potentially teeming with life, where's the pie? We've been actively listening for signs of intelligent life for decades through projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. We've sent out our own signals, our own greetings into the void, and what have we received in return? Nothing. Silence. This isn't just about little green men flying UFOs. We're talking about any detectable signature, any at all. Powerful radio signals, megastructures built around stars, even just evidence of large-scale planetary engineering, but we detect nothing. So, some possible solutions. They aren't here. Yet. So let's explore some of the possible solutions to this cosmic mystery. We can broadly categorize them into a few groups. The first group suggests that they simply aren't here yet, or they can't reach us. The rare Earth hypothesis. Perhaps Earth is truly unique. Maybe the precise combination of a stable star, a large moon, plate tectonics, and a protective magnetic field is incredibly rare, making complex life exceptionally uncommon. What do you think? Then there's the theory called the Great Filter, the early filter. This theory suggests there's a huge obstacle in the path of life evolving to becoming an interstellar civilization. Perhaps it's the jump from simple to complex life, or from single-celled to multi-celled organisms. If this filter is behind us, then we're the lucky few who made it through. More on that to come. Possible solution number 2. They're already here. We just don't know it. The second group of solutions argues that they are out there and perhaps even here on Earth, but for various reasons we just haven't detected them. They're too far away, they've died out, the distances between stars are enormous and light speed is a hard limit. Civilizations might have existed, flourished, and died out long ago before their signals could reach us, or before we've even evolved to listen to them. There's something called the zoo hypothesis. This intriguing idea suggests that advanced alien civilizations are aware of us, but choose not to interfere, treating Earth like a protected national park or a zoo enclosure. Perhaps they're waiting for us to reach a certain level of development before making contact. If you're a fan of Star Trek, it's very similar to the first directive. We're not looking correctly. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence is still in its infancy. We've only really been listening for a blink of an eye in cosmic terms, and only across a tiny sliver of the electromagnetic spectrum. We might simply be looking in the wrong place, at the wrong time, or for the wrong thing. Some possible solutions. We are alone, or we will be soon. And there's the more unsettling possibility. We truly are alone, or we're on the cusp of facing our own great filter. The great filter, but the future filter. This is perhaps the most sobering explanation. It suggests that the filter, the massive obstacle to interstellar civilization, is still ahead of us. Perhaps all advanced civilizations inevitably destroy themselves through nuclear war, environmental collapse, or uncontrolled artificial intelligence. If this is true, the silence we hear is a warning, a glimpse into our own potential future. Self-replicating probes. If advanced civilizations existed, even one of them could theoretically launch self-replicating probes that could explore and colonize the entire galaxy in a relatively short amount of cosmic time. The fact that we don't see any evidence of these von Neumann probes is a powerful part of the paradox. The simulation hypothesis, a more philosophical and perhaps unsettling idea. What if our entire reality is a computer simulation? In such a scenario, the aliens simply haven't been programmed in, or the simulation developers chose not to include them. Check out my video on the simulation theory. The Fermi paradox remains one of the most profound questions in science. Is the universe a bustling metropolis of life hidden from our view? Or are we, in our own corner of the cosmos, a lonely island of consciousness? Each potential solution offers a different perspective on our space in the universe, from being incredibly unique to being part of a cosmic zoo. The mystery persists, driving us to continue building more powerful telescopes, sending out more sophisticated probes, and listening ever more intently to the cosmic silence. Because whether we find them or we realize we truly are alone, the answer will fundamentally change our understanding of ourselves and our place in this vast, incredible universe. What are your thoughts on the Fermi paradox? Do you think they're out there, or do you think we're truly alone? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more investigating dark theories for mankind's enlightenment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.